Have you ever been frustrated with an AI video generator because it just doesn't seem to get what you want? You give it a simple prompt, and it produces something that's technically correct but completely misses the mark. Welcome to Summarize Science, where today we're looking at a new paper that tackles this exact problem. The core issue is that while we give short, sometimes ambiguous prompts, the AI models are trained on super detailed descriptions. This mismatch often leads to disappointing results, especially for complex or creative ideas. To solve this, researchers have created an AI interpreter called ReaDe, which stands for Reason Then Describe. Think of ReaDe as a smart assistant sitting between you and the video generator. It follows a two-step paradigm. First, it reasons, then it describes. The reasoning step is where the magic starts. ReaDe analyzes the user's request, including any text, images, or even human pose data, to understand the core intent. It works to identify the key requirements and resolve any confusing or conflicting instructions. Once it has a clear idea of what you want, it moves to the describe step. Here, it generates a new, highly detailed, and perfectly structured prompt for the downstream video AI. This new prompt contains all the explicit details about objects, actions, camera movements, and style that the generator needs to create a faithful video. The results are pretty impressive, especially for prompts that require some level of reasoning. For example, when asked to show what happens when a cup of hot tea is left out on a cold day, ReaDe understands the implication of steam and a cold environment. In another case, it correctly interprets that the animal in the image is a tadpole and generates a video of it growing into a frog. Here you can see the difference in the detailed prompts it generates compared to another method. ReaDe's descriptions are much richer and more imaginative, leading to better final videos. This system was trained in a clever two-stage process. First, it learned how to reason by studying examples, and then it was refined using a reward system that scored the quality of its generated captions. The researchers tested it across many different scenarios, including single and multi-condition prompts. In nearly every case, the videos generated using ReaDe's interpreted prompts showed better alignment with the user's request and higher overall quality. So, let's recap the important points. AI video generators often struggle because our simple prompts don't match their complex training data. Researchers built ReaDe, an AI interpreter that uses a reason then describe process to translate our intent into a detailed prompt the video AI can understand. This leads to videos that are more accurate, coherent, and aligned with what we actually wanted to create. This kind of intent interpreter is a huge step forward, making complex AI tools more intuitive and could be applied to many other fields beyond just video generation in the future.